Hey guys, that is a really beautiful morning. We had a really good chat with a founder of a construction company, and I was just using cloud code, but apparently I'm using my company's cloud code, and I think there is a total limit or something like that. I need to change the cloud code from the company to my personal one, so I am going and putting in the cloud hash /login command, and I'm going to change the whole thing. Let me do that. Guys, if you don't know, because I'm trying to be updated on this AI space, there is currently a model which is currently working, which is like the subscription model, whereby you are being paid like $20 or 60 pounds or something like that for an app or something that you have been building. But I don't think that is a really feasible model for the future. A very much feasible model for the future would be actually creating a payment or equity inside a company, and that's the only way where I think we will go in the future, and we will land up in a place where it's a universal basic income. And if you want to actually be fun about it, there is a sitcom which is known as Universal Basic, guys, and this is like a post AI revolution world, and it's not like anything related to AI or something like that. The time is just an AI revolution time, but most of the other things are really like a Family Guy or Modern Family or something like that. It's like really fun, but this is where I think the future is going to be, where everybody has kind of a minimum income, and people who are wealthy would only be wealthy not by subscription, because everybody can build cloud code or anything like that by using cloud code or anything like that. Only way we can create wealth and be in the top of the food chain would be creating leverage, and the best leverage we can do is to be the best person in AI and then share it with the company, so that companies can create more profit than with traditional employees, and you can get a share of that profit. So let's get back to the bit. Yesterday I didn't sleep very good. I slept very good, but I kind of had like a toss and turn till 3:30 or 6 o'clock a.m. and I had to wake up around 12 a.m. 11 a.m. or 12 p.m. and right now it's around 5 p.m. I need to go for a run as well, and let's switch that cloud code and then auto limit that. One thing that we have to do is to cloud to auto mode. So I need to go to a run, so I'm going to switch my cloud to auto mode. So in order to do that, I'm just going to tell cloud to switch to auto mode, and I think it will come back. So in order to do that, I need to say cloud enable auto mode. Let's see if that works. Yet, seen that podcast, Andrew Kapati literally said humans are the bottleneck of agentic life or agentic business. So basically what it translates is, like, if you are cloud coding or something like that, there is a permission loop whereby cloud code will ask you whether it's a yes or a no, whether do you agree or not agree. I think that is the bottleneck, right? I just don't want to be asked, just trust the state, right? So I'm like trying to create a system whereby I am doing some work today and I'm going to update my work in Notion. So I'm going to update the current work that I do in Notion, and this Notion is actually connected to my Hermes agent. So whenever I update the day's work, Hermes agent will kind of review it and it will kind of improve the cycle. Let me do that and try to figure out, like, where can I be in this position where I am out of the business and agentic force is actually doing the business. So I have asked Hermes agent to create this daily reflection bottleneck. As you can see, it kind of summarized video uploaded and premiere set at April 15th, morning spent on coding, bottleneck, any challenges faced today, and it will be transferred to every day. So I'm going to create that one as well here. So I think after some time it will load this one here. So daily there will be some tasks that I have to do, and there will be some tasks and whenever I'm completing this task or kind of come up to a roadblock, Hermes agent will give me a suggestion on the next day. So that is what I said, like every day inside Telegram, whenever I'm going to sleep, give me a message saying update the daily task, and every morning compare the whole daily task and every day what we have done, and then give me an updated plan. So as you can see here, Hermes agent has updated the whole thing. That updated your day one page, added the daily reflection and bottlenecks, what happened today, bottlenecks and challenges, key learnings, and tomorrow's focus. And also every 7 a.m. I will have a job saying, like, it will send me a Telegram message on the daily task, and every 9 p.m. you will get a Telegram reminder to complete day one's reflection. And this system will observe your daily patterns, bottleneck, then provide necessarily optimized morning plans to accelerate your millionaire journey. You have now fully automation with the minimal daily overhead, exactly as you requested from the project. And that's pretty much what amazing things that we can see in this automated era. Let's see how it goes. We have created this subcontracting and contracting thing. So there is this main account where owners can actually go, and there can be like sub accounts where subcontractors can sign, like I'm like doing like on one test and like password is 123 or something like that. I need to sign up first. So now, as you can see, Cloud Code is coming back to the auto accept thing, and I can just press this one and it will kind of run on its own, and it will auto accept for a long period of time. I think that is really important because we need to get out of the AI's way in order to create a better system. And I think that is where the world is actually moving to, whereby in like 2 years or something, there will be a position whereby people kind of monitor AI, but not like monitor each steps of AI. As you can see, it's pulling a lot of tokens here. It's pulling like 12k tokens to open Cloud Code, and it will also pull that much amount of tokens back as well. And in no way, shape or form it's actually a bad thing. I'm using Haiku model inside Cloud Code, which is kind of better and cheaper. I need to create some kind of package which uses the tokens better, but that will be done in a later phase. So here I am doing a lot of other things, which is updating Superbase. So Superbase is like a database management for the app. So I have to update this owner name and all. And so how I do it is to go and create a new snippet here by using this, going to the SQL editor here under my project and going to say create new snippet, and then copying this, and we paste it here and then run it from here. So I'm going to update here. I did and got this one, and as you can see, everything is being done. So the new app has 3 things, that is project name, location, and the owner of the building or the house. So I can create that. So we have created the progress bar, we have created the teams, we have like shared access with the contractors, and subcontractors can like give like different access, the owners can give different access to them. And now we are going to develop more. So what I'm doing is, this is what we have actually did. I'm just putting it in Gemini to make it much more cleaner, and I'm updating that into Hermes agent so that Hermes agent knows like what are we actually doing inside Cloud Code. And why I am doing this is because I want to make Hermes agent my AI assistant, right? And like in future there will be a point whereby I will not do my business, Hermes agent will do it for me. And as you can see, I'm like structuring the whole thing better. So I created a separate file or MD file for construct AI business, and it will kind of create all the things that I have done. So tomorrow if I am creating a website or something like that, I can kind of ask Hermes agent, okay, what is our current app thing, and it will kind of give me all the details. So let me just go to my friend and business owner and then pitch this app to him and get a feedback from him. Let's see that.